our newest offering to the market. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mega Tuna. So Mega Tuna, we have 4 exciting variants to choose from. We have Mega Tuna Flakes in Oil, the one in the green label. We also have Mega Tuna Flakes in Hot and Spicy, the one in red. And of course, our 2 unique variants. Mega Tuna Sweet and Spicy, the one in orange. And yung pinaka-love nating lahat, ang Mega Tuna Spanish style. So all of these variants are made from 100% pure tuna flakes. So what sets us apart, no? What sets Mega Tuna apart? So Mega Tuna is the only brand in the canned tuna segment of the market who don't use as extenders, preservatives, and MSG. So we just offer to our market 100% pure tuna goodness. So ano ba yung tinatawag nating extenders? Extenders, or its textured vegetable protein, or EVPs, when combined with additives, can be potentially harmful to one's health. So ito extenders na to, ang ginagawa nito is to replicate tuna, real tuna. So it tastes like tuna also, na hindi natin alam na it's a fake tuna pala yung kinakain natin. So with Mega Tuna, what we wanted to offer our consumers is only the best, 100% pure, and all variants, all 100% pure tuna. Ano ba yung pinaka-common ingredient na ginagamit as extenders? Normally, when we go to supermarkets, we already have the brand in mind, or yung mga brand na nakasanayan na natin. But, you know, it really pays to check the label. So once you see the ingredient soy protein concentrate, it is the ingredient na ginagamit, commonly used as extender. So it's a something fake. So be sure that you check the label. So with Mega Tuna, all variants, all 100% pure tuna. And speaking of natural and pure, today we are going to launch the newest member of Mega Global Family. But before that, nakita niyo na ba yung webisode niya? Hindi pa. So kung hindi niyo ba nakita yung webisode niya, then we have here our first installment of our webisode that we shoot last October 9. So please watch this.
I love eating healthy. That's why I love Mega Tuna. In Mega Tuna, I see pure tuna. No extenders, no preservatives, and no MSG. Because in Mega Tuna, all variants, all 100% pure tuna. It's just tuna to tuna.
So that's the first installment of our webisode with our newest member of the Mega Global family. So today, everyone is lucky because we are going to show you our second round of this webisode. So first time namin ipapakita, it is with you guys. So without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Mega Tuna's second webisode, all variants, all 100% pure tuna.
Because I want to be healthy for life, automatic that I choose healthy. And with Mega Tuna, kahit nakapikit ako, sure ako na 100% pure tuna ang nakukuha ko. Because all Mega Tuna variants are made with 100% pure tuna. No preservatives, no extenders, no MSG. Just pure tuna. Eating healthy is eating right. With Mega Tuna, all variants, all 100% pure tuna.
I know everyone is excited to meet her, right? Parang hindi eh, right? Yeah. Okay, so without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the newest member of Mega Global Family, the face of Mega Tuna, please welcome the 100% beautiful Miss Liza Soberano. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry po, medyo late po ako ngayon. Nag-update ko kayo konti. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for coming here today para supportahan ako tsaka ang Mega Tuna. Thank you guys at sana nag-enjoy po kayo at nasasarapan sa Mega Tuna.
Right, again, let's give Liza Soberano, please, a big hand, the newest member of the Mega Global Corporation family. Hi, Liza. I'm Riza. Hi. O, diba, hindi naman po masyadong kalalayo. Liza and Riza. Let's sit, please. Upo po tayo. Sir Paulo, dito kasamahan mo kami. Dito na ako sa may gilid. Ayan. Hi, Liza.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Kaya naman pala, siya talaga yung perfect face for a Mega Tuna, di ba?
Yes.
I know you all are excited and a lot of questions. Don't worry kasi mahaba-habang kwentuhan ito with Liza and Sir Paulo. Pero ang tanong ko, kasi nagmamadali si Liza papunta dito and then we rush her into, of course, fixing herself up at magbihis, ganyan-ganyan. Feeling ko hindi ka pa kumain.
Hindi pa.
Okay, so that's good. Kasi ang gagawin natin ngayon, habang magkukwentuhan tayo, kain tayo. Okay lang ba yan?
Opo, okay.
Sir Paolo, samahan mo kami.
Okay, hindi ka kumakain eh. Hindi lang halata.
Hindi mo masyado kasi busy si Sir Paolo. So, here's what we're going to do. Together, with our guests, we'll try the different variants of Mega Tuna. I know you've tried it already. Isang variant pala yung tatry ko. So, samahan nyo kami in trying. Okay? So, our friends from... okay, it's here. Great. Okay, sige. Kakain tayo. Kasi I know there's, of course, a lot of variants to try from. Pero Liza, I know this, of course, is also a huge deal for you to be part of a really nice family who's been in the industry for so long. They have, you know, a good track record. Maganda ang kanilang reputation. Hindi ka nahirapan siguro in deciding to say yes.
Hindi po.
Opo. Pinupopo niya ako.
Sorry.
Ang hirap naman. Okay. So, eto na. Ready? Ready to try?
Yes.
Sir Paolo, huwag ka nang mahiya. Okay. So, I have here different variants. Na-try ko, unang-una, yung Spanish style. And then, surprise ako, Sir Paolo.
Spanish style.
Okay, maghahati tayo sa Spanish style. Ibali, marami naman. Pero you're saying, Sir Pao, na 100% pure tuna, no preservatives, no extenders, no MSG, and it's just right kasi, alam mo yun, everyone now is health conscious.
Yes.
Diba? We're aware of what we put inside our bodies. So, ito, walang pretensions na healthy talaga siya. Kung nag-diet ka or you just want to maintain a proper and balanced diet, diba? Ikaw ba, Liza, or Liza, nag-diet ka pa ba?
Opo, especially pag nasa shooting, kailangan talaga para hindi mag-aang mukha.
Itong bata itong masyadong honest. Kasi pagkasabi niya, nakatingin siya sa akin. Hindi naman po. Okay ba? Pero, so, ikaw sa taping, you bring some? Kasi, something that I noticed, Sir Pao, yung packaging, easy open, ha?
Yes.
Kasi hindi lang tayo maghahanap ng blaka o ng kung ano para to open. Diba? You can just bring it and then, yun na, pwede na.
Most of the consumers kasi are gearing towards convenience din nowadays, especially sobrang fast-paced ng buhay natin. So we really want convenience every day.
And then, so it's easy open, you can bring it along with you and then ready to eat. Diba? But how do you enjoy your Mega Tuna, Liza? Over bread, rice?
My favorite sandwich kasi is tuna sandwiches. So, favorite ko with bread and also with rice.
Yeah. Nag-rice ka?
Oo.
Brown rice?
Hindi po white rice.
Why?
Kailangan ko po talaga ng rice.
Oo, diba? So, pwede rin siya. All its different variants could mix very well kung bread man yan. Or, you know, sometimes what I try, itry nyo din, yung
Crackers.
Crackers, yan, exactly. You read my mind, di ba? Ang sarap niya. Just over crackers. And then yun, parang unti-unti, di ba? Kainin mo yung savor the flavor. It's really, really nice. And then, convenient nga. Di ba kasi, open mo lang na ganyan, and then, isang tinidor lang, isang doon na, di ba?
Marami na siya sa isang can. Maraming tuna na.
Right. Isa pa yun that I noticed, Sir Paolo, punong-puno yung can.
Yes, it's really more of the tuna flakes and not the oil.
Right. So, all of these, again, Liza, all of its variants, it being 100% pure tuna, you must be very proud to represent something like this, diba?
Very truthful and honest.
Right. So, sa mga, I know, ang dami mong followers, ang dami mong nag-admire. What is it about Mega Tuna that, you know, you wish to share with them also? Like you na, syempre, araw-araw tinitignan nila kung anong ginagawa mo, or anong kinakain mo. Is that something that you enjoy na share mo din sa kanila? And then nakakatulong ka rin sa kanila?
Yes, kasi lagi tinatanong ng mga supporters kung ano yung kinakain, how to stay healthy and fit. So, syempre, I share with them some tips sometimes na kung ano yung madalas kong kinakain, pero hindi naman ako lagi nagda-diet. But when I really, really need to go on a diet, I like to stick to seafood and vegetables. And yun, nakakatulong talaga yung Mega Tuna kasi masarap siya, and it's very diet-friendly pa. Hindi siya, wala siyang preservatives, wala siyang MSG, wala siyang extenders. So, sigurado ka na talaga na it's very healthy and hindi ka mako-conscious kasi kahit gano'ng karami ang kainin mo, you know, it's just fish. It's just tuna talaga.
It's 100% pure tuna. You'll love all its different flavors. Alam ko kasi pag nagda-diet ka, sometimes what happens is, nakakalungkot. Yeah. Ang sad ng life. Paulit-ulit na lang yung kinakain mo. But with this, you have a lot of choices. And then you can be very creative with it also. Diba ako, perhaps, baka matry ko, gusto ko pag-uwi, pasta naman. Have you tried that?
Yes, na-try ko nung nag-shoot po kami.
Oh yeah! Diba? Oh, speaking of which, your webisodes.
Webisode.
Part of it, we saw already. Pero, alam namin na may mga susunod pa ba? Tell us about how fun it was nung ginagawa mo yun.
Super saya kasi enjoy lang po yung set. Tapos, they just wanted to be me talaga. Parang real life lang na sinashare kung ano yung na-enjoy ko sa pure tuna, sa Mega Tuna, kung ano yung, paano siya pwedeng kainin, paano siya pwedeng iluto. And I just had to be myself talaga. I didn't really have to act.
Right, and you look like you're having a good time. Na parang nasa bahay ka lang.
Ganun talaga yung setup.
Ito yung gagawin mo. So, we're expecting more. More of those na ano.
I have 4 episodes. 4
more.
For all its variants.
Yes, coming out in November and December.
Nice.
So you watch out for the other installment of the webisodes.
Right, so we've talked about how delicious all these variants are and how, of course, Mega Global Corporation is staying true to their promise that it is really 100% pure tuna, no preservatives, no MSG, no extenders, pero I know maraming Sir Paulo na benefits yung pagkain ng tuna. Diba? Kasi lahat nga tayo health conscious na. First, na-mention na ni Liza na it's good for our health, yung diet natin. If you really want to maintain your diet, then it's a good, it's a vital component that you can have para ma-maintain yun. Pero I know marami pa, di ba, Sir Pao?
Yes, marami pang benefits ng tuna aside from it being good to the health and good to our heart. It's also rich in omega-3 that reduces the risk of stroke. It reduces the risk of stroke by 30% actually. And it reduces the risk of cancer also. Some people know that tuna is a good source of selenium. Selenium is an antioxidant that helps the body's immune system. And tuna also reduces the risk of obesity. So hindi ka talaga tataba. So that's the reason why kinakain yung tuna ng mga nagda-diet. Because it reduces the risk of obesity because it controls the body's insulin response. So those are some of the benefits of tuna to our body.
It's good for the heart din daw. Pero alam mo, ang maganda rin kay Liza, very approachable siya. Diba? Very, you know, like, parang hindi ka mai-intimidate sa kanya. And so is I'll connect with Mega Tuna. I realized very competitive and very affordable and it's available already nationwide.
Yes.
Alam mo kung magkano? Nag-grocery ka ba?
No, pero hindi ko na binigyan kasi nila.
So, honest talaga siya. That's like Mega Tuna. We're 100% honest in delivering our promise.
Hindi ka kasi nakapag-grocery. Pero Sir Pao, di ba, super
affordable ang Mega Tuna. It's only at 33.1 peso. It's available in all leading supermarkets and groceries nationwide.
Nationwide na?
Yes.
Nationwide na. So if you go to your groceries or suking tindahan, ask for Mega Tuna. There's 4